From day trader to millionaire in 3 years, my investing journey. Turning a small trading account into $1 million portfolio in just 3 years might sound like a fairy tale, but I'm here to tell you it's possible. My journey from a beginner day trader to a millionaire wasn't easy. It was filled with ups and downs, moments of doubt, and hard-earned lessons. But through perseverance, discipline, and a well-crafted strategy, I was able to transform my financial future. In this video, I'll walk you through my journey year by year, sharing the critical lessons I learned along the way. If you're an aspiring trader, I hope my story will inspire you to take action and approach the markets with the right mindset. Year 1. The harsh reality of day trading. Like many people, I first got into trading after watching YouTube videos of self-proclaimed gurus making thousands of dollars in minutes. It looked so easy. Buy low, sell high, repeat. I thought I could do the same. I started my trading journey with $5,000, which I had saved from my job. I figured that with the right moves, I could quickly double or triple my money. But I soon learned that trading isn't as simple as it seems. My first losses. During my first few months, I made all the classic mistakes that new traders make. I traded without a real strategy, relying on emotions and hype. I followed stock alerts and checkroom tips instead of doing my analysis. I took oversized positions, hoping for quick gains. Worst of all, I let losing trades run in the hope that they would bounce back. Within 3 months, I had lost nearly half of my account. I was devastated. It felt like the market was rigged against me. But instead of quitting, I decided to take a different approach. I realized that if I wanted to succeed, I needed to treat trading like a serious profession. The turning point. I began studying everything I could about trading. I read books on technical analysis, followed experienced traders on Twitter, and watched educational videos instead of hype-filled trading content. I started tracking my trades in a journal, writing down what worked and what didn't. By the end of the first year, I had managed to recover my initial losses. I wasn't making a fortune yet, but I was breaking even, which was a huge improvement. More importantly, I developed a systematic approach to trading. Year 2. Refining my strategy and scaling up. After my first year of struggle, I entered my second year with a new perspective. I knew that success in trading wasn't about hitting home runs, it was about consistency. Developing a winning strategy. Instead of trading everything that moved, I became highly selective. I focused on high-probability setups and developed a strict risk management plan. My strategy involved momentum trading, identifying stocks that were gaining momentum and jumping in at the right moment. Technical analysis, using chart patterns, moving averages, and volume indicators to time my trades. Risk management, never risk more than 1 to 2% of my account on a single trade. Avoiding FOMO, not chasing stocks that had already made big moves. One of the biggest lessons I learned was to cut losses quickly and let winners run. Instead of holding on to losing trades, hoping for a rebound, I accepted small losses and moved on. At the same time, I let my winning trades develop instead of cashing out too early. Growing my account. With a solid strategy in place, I started seeing consistent profits. Instead of withdrawing my earnings, I reinvested them into my trading account. By the end of my second year, my portfolio had grown to over $250,000. While this was still far from $1 million, I could see the power of compounding in action. My trading skills had improved, and I was beginning to trade with larger position sizes without increasing my risk. Year 3. Reaching the $1 million milestone. The third year was when everything came together. By this point, I had developed the confidence and experience needed to take my trading to the next level. Leveraging capital wisely. One of the biggest breakthroughs for me was learning how to leverage my capital effectively. I started using options trading to maximize my returns while keeping risks manageable. Options allowed me to control large positions with a smaller amount of capital, which significantly boosted my profits. I also began trading during pre-market and after-hours sessions, identifying opportunities before most traders even entered the market. This gave me an edge over retail traders who only traded during regular hours. Emotional discipline and mindset shift. One of the biggest differences between professional traders and amateurs is emotional discipline. I stopped overtrading and stuck to my game plan. Instead of jumping into trades based on fear or greed, I made rational decisions based on my strategy. I also diversified my approach. While I was primarily a day trader, I began incorporating swing trading and longer-term investments. This provided stability and reduced stress, as I wasn't relying solely on quick trades. Hitting the $1 million mark. By the end of my third year, my trading account had grown to over $1 million. It wasn't one big trade that got me there. It was the result of hundreds of trades executed with discipline and precision. Reaching this milestone was surreal. Just 3 years earlier, I had been a struggling trader, losing money and doubting myself. Now, I have achieved financial freedom through trading. Key lessons from my journey. Looking back, there were a few key principles that helped me succeed. 1. Education is everything. If you're serious about trading, invest in your education. Read books, watch educational videos, and learn from experienced traders. The more you understand the market, the better your chances of success. 2. Risk management is the most important factor. Trading isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Always manage your risk by using stop losses, setting position sizes correctly, and never risking too much on a single trade. 3. Emotions will destroy you. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies of a trader. Learn to control your emotions and stick to your strategy, no matter what happens. 4. Compounding is the secret to wealth. Reinvesting your profits can accelerate your account growth. Instead of withdrawing money too soon, let your capital compound over time. 5. Be adaptable. Markets change, and successful traders know how to adapt. Be willing to refine your strategy and learn new techniques as needed. Final thoughts. Becoming a millionaire through day trading wasn't easy, but it was possible with the right mindset and approach. If you're on your trading journey, remember that success won't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. If you're serious about trading, start by building a solid foundation. Study the markets, develop a strategy, and focus on risk management. With patience and discipline, you can achieve financial freedom through trading. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.